Can cats eat fish bones is a common question among pet owners, but the answer is a clear no. You should never feed cooked or raw fish bones to your cat. Many people wonder if fish bones are safe for cats because wild felines eat whole prey, but domestic cats face serious health risks from them. Fish bones are extremely brittle, especially when cooked. They can easily splinter and get stuck in your cat's mouth, throat, or esophagus. If a cat swallows fish bones, these sharp fragments can puncture the delicate lining of the stomach or intestines. This can cause internal bleeding, dangerous infections, and severe pain. Even raw bones carry risks of bacterial contamination and choking hazards. If you are asking if it is okay for cats to chew on fish bones, the answer remains no. The potential harm far outweighs any nutritional benefit. If you suspect your cat swallowed a fish bone, contact a veterinarian immediately for professional guidance. Always remove every single bone before offering cooked fish to your pet. Keep your feline safe by serving only fully boned, unseasoned fish as an occasional treat. Clean up meal prep scraps carefully so your curious pet cannot raid the trash for discarded fish skeletons.